Who among us hasn't had an egg cleansing done? Well, everyone, I think most of us have. Kids, teens, adults, when you were a baby, for the evil eye. Of course it exists. I'm gonna explain. Here's the kitty, but here's a little bird in its cage. The kitty stares at the little bird, and with its gaze, it's called fascination, it can make the bird cluck, fall with the energy of its sight. It's the same thing that happens when someone stares at you. Like that. Not very nicely. You can't sleep well. Children or babies are still the ones who can get overloaded the most because their auric body is a bit thin. We can all be affected. And believe me, nowadays the issue is because the other person is doing well. Negative, toxic, backwards thoughts, because things don't work out for me. Well, all of that stays contaminated in our physical body, but here is the physical body. Keep going. Auric, etheric, spiritual body. How do I clean it? Not just by bathing. Remember what I told you when you're in the shower? Well, take some salt and rub it over your body. That also helps to cleanse. But today, I'm going to explain how we should do an egg cleansing so that this way the negative energies go away. Believe me, there will be a big change. Nothing happens. Who among ya? Didn't they do cleansings on you as kids? You? Yes? Chatil? So? No? Oh, my son. Oh? Jeez. What did you say? Hey, Fesh, you? Goodness gracious. Well, I've had a time. The thing is, it depends, right? Many times, what happens with cleansings is that recently someone asked me if that was a sin. What is a sin? Huh? Is it a sin to rub an egg over my body? Excuse me? If we look into it, we realize that before, people didn't believe in quantum physics. They didn't believe that thinking is creating. They didn't believe in many things. Egg cleansings are, they have been, they are, and they will be. What are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna light a white candle, we're gonna light some incense, we're gonna have a clear glass of water, and an egg taken out of the fridge so it's not cold. We need it at room temperature. We're gonna pass it all over our body, from the top part all the way to the bottom. But I'd better explain it to you with a very beautiful woman. Bernie, okay? Come over here, McQueen. She's the beautiful woman. Tell me if she isn't. Just look at what an amazing woman she is. Bravo. Hey, honey, shall we do the cleanser? Yes, please. Yeah? All right, let's go. So, we'll be right back. You'll see what we're gonna do now. Well, now we have our beautiful and dearest Bernadette. How are you, my love? Very well, Michi. Oh, well, thank you. I like being on your show. Oh, sweetie, you are loved, my dear. You see that I'm always saying Bernie, Bernie, Bernie? She is Bernie. So today, we're gonna do a cleansing to explain it to you. And she, being so sweet, said, I'm in, Michi. So, what are we gonna do? You'll have the person lie down, whoever you want, whoever needs it, and we'll keep the incense lit and our white candle lit. This is done, it can be done during a waning moon, starting on a waning moon, or whenever it's necessary. It's done for 3 consecutive days. Logically, what do I need? 3 different eggs at the current temperature. When we're doing it, how do you say it? At temperature, ambient. Thank you, Buri. We're gonna do the following. We're gonna take the egg. Yes, here is the egg. We're gonna start passing this egg from the head down to the feet. The process will be done 3 times. After that, I'll tell you in a bit. Bernie, please do me the favor of extending your arms like this and close your eyes, please. And we start from the hand. What are we going to think and what are we going to say? Kind, positive, loving words, some prayer that you like, but we start from the top part. What I'm doing is sweeping away all the energy we carry in our physical body, which in turn is the auric body. I don't go back. I go down, 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 and out. Down, 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 and out. Right? What do I do here? I go up towards my left side, and I start over again. This is done more slowly. I'm doing it, well, according to television time. I start the cleansing by removing all the negativity that might come from the center. And if I'm gonna go back, I must do this. Left side, okay? I'm going downwards. And I'm taking it out. Many times we don't believe in this. I'm gonna tell you something. It's been many years studying many techniques, a little bit of everything. The technique of cleansing your physical body with an egg makes great changes. Give it a try. What harm can an egg or a glass of water do to you? Nothing happens. Let's pretend we didn't add it longer, okay? My mind will go silent because I'm thinking and wishing the best, in this case, to my dearest Bernie. There, I'm finished now. What's next? Without the person opening their eyes, we take our little glass of water. Here it is, right? And now I'll place it right here on the side. I'm gonna carefully crack the egg right inside this little glass of water, making sure to be gentle. Open your eyes, Bernie. And we're gonna leave it here. If we look at it right now like this, to start with, what does it do? It absorbs all the negativity that might be there. This is the cleansing with an egg. Thank you very much for joining us. Subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all our recipes, tips, and many topics we have for you. Much light, much peace, and much love.